So we're back at the house. My boy was supposed to be sleeping. Wahana. He's just like, nah, dad, I'm not going to bed. Anyways, we've joined the tournament here. It's called the Cape Ministerial Trading Challenge. It's a South African tournament. It's not bad, $3,000. Top 25 gets the money. Number 25 gets about $36, which is almost 600 rand, Chum change, but it's something. Give me something. Give me something. Anyways, this is what I'm going to be working around. It's a 9-day tournament. It's not so competitive. Number 1 is sitting at 1.4. Currently, I'm number 18. I'm sitting at 109. I haven't done much. I haven't really started to trade it. So far, I can do 109. Now, when I'm eligible for $54. So, during the course of the week, up until the 15th, I think I'm going to be working around this. Kizamo pusher, make some money. But this one, to be honest with you, it's a manna from heaven, this one. The way Kibonanga normally, I like to indulge in the IQ launch one. I want already. But where did you want my 18,000? From where? From Guatemala. Kia telling you, Thailand, it's a Thailand, they're dangerous. They are very dangerous. So normally this is where I play normally. And I come out number 28, number 27, 26. On a good day, 25. 2,000. So to be honest with you, this local one is actually not so bad, man. And the participant, it's 87 people participating in this tournament. If you come here to IQ launch, this is 2,191 people. So competition is stiff this side. So I bought a ticket into this tournament, and this is what I'm going to be working around. I'm going to document the steps that I take as I grow, maybe involve you guys so you guys can see how I basically do my things. But yeah, I feel confident about this one. So maybe re ke latlhelenyana trade one nyana ke bone net for control. Let's look for something. Let's look for an opportunity. Let's look for opportunity. Yeah. Gotta make this money, make this money, make this money. We gotta make this guap. Guap. Chelete. Money in the pocket. Guap. Chelete. So like a trader, the small time frames. Normally, I take my entries on 30 seconds. I analyze from 5 minutes. Sometimes if I'm not seeing something stable, I go up a time frame by 15 minutes or so. But normally it speaks volumes. Like this one, for instance. Let's see. I don't like this one. You need to look for something simple. Again, we are trading and we want to win. So we are looking for simplicity. Something that is trending. When we find something that is trending, we wait for a pullback. And then you know the saying, the trend is your friend. Yeah, it applies. Yeah. Then you make the guap. Let's see. So I have these moving averages here because they are the ones that tell me if the market is trending or not. So for instance, if we were here, you see with the moving average, this is the 20, this is the 50, the 100, and the 200 EMA. Well, one of the way they're spreading out and they're moving down, they're indicating that this is a downtrend. So if we are looking for a nice trend, we're looking for something that's like this, but that's beginning, not that's ending, that's cutting into the moving averages like this. We don't want to do that. I mean, we can still find opportunity, but at the end of the day, we want this to be as simple as fuck. Mind my French, please. We're looking for something that we can just lateral trade real quick, and then we can relax. Yeah, I don't like these ones that are chopping inside of the moving averages. They don't do it for me. They don't. And there's so much options, so eventually you'll find something. What time is it? It's almost 5:30. So you need to have the patience to look for something that looks like you can work with it, or else this is 5 minutes. Let's go into 30. Let's see what's happening here. Ish, it's a mess. Might still continue coming down though, but it's a mess. I don't like it. Let's see. Let's get rid of these moving averages so we can see price action, see what's going on. All right, so we have fair value here, seems to be pushing it down. We have fair value. We're gonna have to see how it reacts off fair value, if it's going to take out this low here. Yeah, anyway, man. Let's see, but I expect it to still continue going down. Let's see how it reacts to fair value, because this double top here is speaking volumes. And I mean, this move here, unless if is there something stopping it here, Mofat? There's another fair value, Mofat. Let's make it red to indicate danger. Let's get rid of that horizontal line. Spot out this fair value. Normally I'm looking for breaker blocks. The market ranges between breaker blocks. So I wanna, like here for instance, I don't like this breaker block. Here's one down here. This could be the one that maybe the market is targeting. Let's put a green line here. The top of this breaker block here. The market could be coming down to there. So let's see if we have an entry. Let's see if it's going to give us a retest. Let's get into 15 seconds. Give us a slight double top, and then we'll take the entry. Are you going to give it to us? This could be a pullback. Let's see, because I see that there's a breaker block here. Let's see what it does. If it's going to give us something, maybe we can trade this reversal. Okay, so if it doesn't create a new high, then we can go down with it. Give it some time, maybe 1 minute. Let's see what it does. There's the next 15 seconds. I think I'm going to enter here. Because it's given us a double top. There are many double tops. So let's see. 408. Let's put down the 408 as well if it gives us a better entry. So far, it looks good. There's the breakup block here. This breakup block here, I get right because it might push price back. There we go. Beautiful. But let's not speak too early, because these are small time frames. Binary options, it's naughty. Yeah, it's very naughty. So price can just change in careless. That's what it does. Price just all of a sudden is up now, and you're like, what's going on? So that's why other people prefer to maybe trade 5 minutes and so on. But I trade 30 seconds, and I try to put in an entry real quick there. You see what it's doing. So let's see. There's a breakup block here. It stopped it. You see what I'm talking about? Might still be in our favor though. As long as we got the direction correct, then that could just be a retest. But this breakup block here is the one that pushed it back up. Right, man? So we are targeting the bottom of this breakup block here. Let's see. This could be a pullback, this could be a pullback, this pullback to break a block to push up. So this wasn't necessarily the double top we're looking for, but let's be patient and see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, this was a 30-second trade. I overtraded here. I overtraded. Isa. Ere biditse. Ere sharpile, but either way we're good. We're good. Yep, 3, 2, 1. All right, that's fine. Let's see if we can make some money back. But that looks like a beautiful double top, man. It looks like a very beautiful double top. I wanted to give it more. Should have made it a 41-second trade. Let's see if it will, because it now retested the bottom of this fair value here to want to push up. But when we look at plain price action, we can see that we prematurely got into it. We thought that the double top was here, but it was still creating a pullback to create the official double top to come down. So this is where we made our mistake. It's a mistake, but it's fine. It's okay, it's part of the game. The main aim here is you need to understand the lingo. You need to understand how price action works, how these things work. Leading moving average, they speak a lot, the EMAs. For instance, right now, they're telling me that they want to go into an uptrend. You know, could this have been a slight push down? Let's see, but it's respecting fair value, so that's always a positive sign. We're inside of a downtrend, so we are moving with the trend. We haven't broken these highs yet. They're too high. We are not targeting them yet. I wonder if it's moving down. It's moving down, so let's get rid of these EMAs. It looks messy. We don't like mess. Pure price action is the name of the game. So you see our entry was here. This was also a good entry here, but I overtraded it. It was supposed to be a 30-second trade, this one. I made it about a 1 minute 30-second trade. That's why in Shabile. So initially, this double top, this was, I don't know if we could call this a fake out, but it looked like a fake double top to create the original double top. But when I look, this is sort of creating a, what is this called again? A head and shoulders. So my assumption is that we're still moving down. Let's see on a higher time frame, what's going on 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes is indicating that this is the pullback to want to push up and take out this high. All right. Possibly. So if you can see this market here, this market is not what I was saying to you, that we must look for a trending market. Just like I showed you right now in the example, it's not like the opportunities are not, they are there, but it's not clean, man. It's not clean. Let's see if we can find something clean. Let's get rid of these lines here, messy. Let's see if we can find something clean. Normally the ones that are clean, based off my experience, are the currency OTCs, the currency pairs. So your Aussie USD normally is a bit smooth. Normally, see, like here for instance, this might be a pullback. This might be a pullback. Let's see if we can catch it. No, it's not as clean as I would like, eh? I put on the TV for you to watch again, so I can quickly throw in some trades. No, my boy needs to go to sleep so I can actually hone in and like focus, you know? Because he's being a baby right now. He's on my back, literally swinging on me like I'm some human swing. Kganya, tlola go dlala ka dipetri mfethu. O etsa jwang? Big guy. Can't do wear the clean markets. What's going on? I wanted to show you guys an example of a nice trending market. Normally Intel is not bad. Intel, I mean. Possibly, let's see, but I ain't kgothatse. It's not giving me the confidence that I want. That's another thing that's also very important. You need to be confident in each trade. It's a joang fit. Yeah? So lahla dipetri sona. Where's the other one? Kganya. This was something. We were gonna catch it here. We are 2 minutes late. So we almost caught this one. Let's see. But Leona, it's not as clean as I would like it to be. Come on, give me something clean so I can show some people. Give up and say the people is something clean. Leona, it's playing Idlala Modima the 20 too much. Let's go to 2 minutes. Normally 2 minutes can tell us something precise. See, it's possible that it still might want to drop a little bit more. Ska remote kganya. Ska remote, ska tshela mathi mo. Tla be sa sebetse. Ba phinya lo phinya mo. Sis. What's going on? Or is it just not the time? Okay, a couple of markets have opened. Trump coin normally trends since it's new, so it's always moving in one direction. This one could, let's go to 5 minutes and see what's going on. Could possibly still go down. Okay, here's something. It's not beautiful, but it's something. Yeah, it's not beautiful, but it's something. Because I can see that there's something here. It's something. This could be a possible pullback. What is this here? This was created a low here. Let's try and make it smaller. Smaller time frame. 25 seconds is too little. But we are targeting these lows here. Again, it'll refer something. Something. But what I don't like about this is that it's not as smooth as I would like it to be. I like the smooth markets. The reason I got into this market here is because I'm looking at this 5 minutes here and I'm seeing that it might still want to push down because it's already come up for 10 minutes. It made contact with the 50, so it might want to target this low here. So I'm trying to squeeze a trade inside of this 5 minutes here. This 5 minute bar here must push down, at least push up until here. Excuse me. So that's the assumption here that, okay, that's what you're probably going to do. If you've been going up for 10 minutes, you might want to still continue down a bit. But this buying pressure here, let's see. Let us see. It's continuing up. Created a higher high here, so it might be targeting these highs here. So that's what I missed. This is exactly what I missed. So normally what happens is, hey guys, you need to be attentive when you trade, eh? As long as you understand the language, you need to also make sure that you're attentive. So the thing about the 20 moving average is that that's the one we use for entries, that one. So what had happened here is that when it went through, normally when it goes through the 20, when it bounces off the other side, it's going to react off it to push up. So I gotta check out the characteristics of the slim. It went through to bounce on top of it to go to the top to touch the 50 here, to move back down, to go through it again, to bounce on top. If you look at it, we can even go back here. You can see that, you see, whenever it goes through and bounces on top, it respects the 20, so it's good for entries, especially if we're in a trending market. This is an example of a trending market. The markets right now, wait, Khanya, wait. Yeah, I'm trying to record this, man. The markets right now are a little bit untrustworthy because we are not inside of a trend. So maybe this is just not the time. I must wait for the market to trend. But I wanted something for you guys. I'm trying to force something. Let's see. You see, like here, it went through here. It went through the 20. So let's see if this applies. It's just that one actually breakup block here. Breakup block. It went through the 20, so let's give it this $2 something here. Let's give it this $2 something and push up with it slightly. Because I'm out cheaper trade more slightly based off what we just discussed right now. When it goes through the 20 and comes back to bounce off, it might want to give us something. But now this 50 is interrupting us. So Scar interrupt. Don't do that. Don't do that. What are you doing? Let's see. There's a breakup block here. It wants to disturb the things. Do you want to retest off this breakup block? That's exactly what you did. You want to retest off this breakup block here to push down. Okay. So, what's going on? What's going on? Are you giving me my trade or not? Are you going to respect the 20? You're not going to do so. Okay, no, that's fine. That's fine. So we're back at 100. We're back at 100. And it's continuing to go down. So we missed this one as well, which is fine. This is a win and a losing game, guys. You're not always going to win the trades. But what you need to get better at is reading the language. Some of these mistakes that I'm making here, they're very basic mistakes, man. I can say, well, maybe there's too much going on. I got focus on the one. But initially what I had said is that I want a beautifully trending market. These other markets are risky. So this could be a good example of how to move, how to use your moving averages and look for a trending market. Because once you have a also, maybe this could be also a lesson to understand how to spot these breaker blocks and to see how the market reacts off these breaker blocks for possible entries. I want it went down, came back into this key level, came back into this key level to push down, came back into this key level. Because it bumped into it so many times, it might want to trade back into it. No, don't do that. Don't do that, my boy. Let's see if we can sneak something in here. Something in here. That was the lowest time frame I could get it to give me. Can sneak something in there because we know that it's attracted to this breaker block here, so it might want to go back into that breaker block. Last 30 seconds. Let's see how it reacts off the 20 EMA. So it reacted off the 50. About 20 seconds left. Let's see if there was a pullback, but there doesn't seem to be anything that wants to push it down except for the 20 here. But the 20 it's not too strong. So the analysis of it trading back into this key level is what made us win this trade. So in this example, I think this is a good example of seeing how to read your moving averages and also how to read price action. If you know certain things, like this is a breaker block here, guys. These these zones here, these levels, I mean, they speak volumes. Once you know how to identify them, and once you also understand that price is attracted to them, you see, like this one here, price kept on coming back to it. Here's another one here. This is why price came down back into this, to come back down, to come back into the small one here, to create the small one, I mean, which is this one here. Yeah, one. First this one, and then it created this one here. It came to bounce off it here. So possibly in the future it's going to bounce off this one here again. So yeah, normally I trade in the morning, really quiet and all of these things, so I can actually hone in to the craft. But I think this was good for educational purposes. So let's get this tournament, see how far I can push it. And we are growing the account. Currently we're at $28, guys. We are starting from the bottom. My practice account is sitting at 447. I mean, you know how these demo accounts, we just kill them. We smash them like they are nothing. So the aim is to make the green must get into these figures here, so we can chow the paper. So yeah, man. So over the course of these coming days and week moving forward, I'm going to invite you guys to be on my journey growing my account, and let's see what we can do throughout the course of the year. But I don't know, I have a feeling this year this account is going to be sitting at least 500k, at least. If it's not sitting at 500k, fine, let's try to be more realistic here, maybe at about 50,000-60,000, and then we are generating about $2,000 a day, which is about 40,000 rand, which is not bad. That would be the goal. If you're sitting at a number like 50,000, you can make about 500, 1,000. If you're sitting at $1,000, for crying out loud, you can make about $30, $50 a day, which is not much. 10% of $1,000 is $100. So, and $100 is almost about 2K. So you can do that a day. At the end of the month, this is binary options. You trade 7 days a week. You can come out with about 60K. If you're making $50, you can come out with about 30K or so. So it's really not bad. So I invite you guys to join me as I grow this account, and I hope I can also teach what I've learned over the years, so and maybe adapt some of these strategies inside of your guys' trading plans. So yeah, this is Ignatius Liburu. Binary made simple is who I am. That's what I want to do for people. I want to show them the simple side of trading. And yeah, man, wherever you are, I hope you are having a good day, and yeah, enjoy the rest of your week. Hope you have a smooth 7.